friend, it's Cameron Limitless here. I'd like to welcome you to the Limitless Money Hub. In this video, we're going to look at the $1 Million Copy. This is a series called the $1 Million Copy series, and in this one, we're going to be looking at how to write outstanding YouTube descriptions and video titles. And I'm going to leave the link to the software below if you want to go ahead and check it out. We're going to be utilizing this a lot in the series, and basically, this is a software called Anyword. So if you just hold tight, I'm going to leave the link for you below. But you can see here that it's called data-driven copy for anyone. Okay, get more conversions, drive more leads and sales with AI writer that generates and optimizes your copy. So if you're brand new to copywriting and you want to start a copywriting career, you could utilize this tool for yourself, and I'm going to show you the power of it here in a second. But even if you're a veteran marketer or internet marketer, you have any form of an online business that requires you to write, copywriting, the words that persuade and sell people, Anyword in this software is going to help you do this here. And I'm a customer myself, I use it, so I'm going to show you a demo of it here. But it says here, we're the first AI copywriting tool to offer predictive performance score. We'll show you that there in a second, so that you can make smarter choices. Okay, elevate your potential and engage with your audience, understand how different demographics reach each version, and things like this here. So we've also got create customer personas. That there is very cool. I haven't really dug too much into this here, but it seems like a very, very powerful feature inside Anyword for you to be able to actually create your customer persona and then use that throughout your copywriting. So you don't necessarily have to, keep feeding this here with information. It's really simple to use. You kind of set it up once, your workspace and your persona. I'll maybe set up a persona here in this video, or I'll maybe just leave it to a further video. You'll also be able to generate high performing marketing copy for every channel and every format. Basically, use the AI ad copy generator to generate engaging text for every channel, including Facebook, Instagram, Google, this one, LinkedIn, Twitter, all these ones, landing page, product pages, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, SMS text. Okay, you've got custom mode, you've got continuous optimization, which is a very powerful feature here that continually optimizes and split tests your headlines. It's got a top rating. It's always getting here, 4.8, 4.9. I would rate it 5 stars without a doubt. You can see here there's a whole bunch of, testimonials and things like that there from people all around the world using this here software called Anyword. So how our AI copywriting platform works, okay? Input a URL, summary, product, description, and get the best copy for what you'd like to promote. Choose the format you'd like the AI writer to generate copy for, along with your desired style and tone. Generate AI copy with a click, scored and sort it by predictive performance scores, and you can have the AI writer generate versions you like and add your own copy variations to see how they compare, and much more. So you can also create copy that converts, and you can get started for free. It does say here start for free, get instant access. There is no credit card required. Like I said, I'm going to leave my affiliate link. I'll be affiliate for this product on this series called $1 Million Copy. And really the reason why I'm calling this here $1 Million Copy series is because we've got a bonus that's going to go along with this, software, that you can go through this bonus training course called $1 Million Copy and utilize AI copywriting software like this specific one, to go out there and start to generate this copy. So I'm just going to jump into my dashboard here a second, and I'm going to go here, and you can see that all the different workspaces I've got going on. But what I'm going to click here is the internet marketers workspace. So this is all my different work for the internet marketing one, and I'm going to go to data driven copy. I'm going to go up here to new project. So you can see here that we can create loads of different things, but what we're going to look at today specifically is the YouTube description, and I'm going to actually write the title and description for this ad. So let me see, we're going to write in here, let's see, what is your video about? So basically this is about how to write highly engaging copy, highly engaging, we're going to say highly engaging YouTube video title and description using AI. Okay, and you can hear go here, make sure this is all spelled correctly. You can go here and select the topic. There's so many different topics we can select here. I'm just going to take this out for a second, but you can see that if we just go, I can type in marketing, and we've got different types of marketing: housing market, job market. We've also got, pets. I think there's pet insurance, pets, adoption. I think there's basically every kind of topic that you could imagine, any industry or anything that you're in, niche, anything like that here. But in this one, we're going to call it marketing and advertising, because this is, who our target market is here at the Limitless Money Hub. It would be internet marketers, beginners, business owners, this type of thing. So I'm just going to go ahead here, and it's already took my description that I give it and the industry, and I'm going to come down here and I can add in a keyword. So maybe potentially a keyword I could write in is copywriting software. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit generate. And I've left it the default just for this here demonstration, and you can see here it's given us this here. So it's given us a predictive performance score of 76, and it says catchy YouTube video titles without copywriting software. Okay, without a copywriting guru, we could change that. We can change it up, guru, so it's giving us even better performance score there. So I might use this one for this video title. Okay, then we can also go down here to description, and we can generate the description here as well with a click of a button. And this is how easy it is, my friend, to write these engaging titles and descriptions for YouTube videos, and it's only a little taste of what you can actually do inside this software. So if you want to get started, like I said, I'm going to give you the bonus of the $1 Million Copy course. Okay, as a bonus, if you go ahead and get started with this training and you go ahead and actually use the paid version of it, okay, you can get started for completely free, and there's no credit card required. I don't think there's a trial or anything like that, so you'll be able to continue to use this in your business for the foreseeable future unless they change it. But if you do decide to go ahead and use the paid plan and get the data driven plan and things like that, the one that I use, you will get the bonus that I'll give you called $1 Million Copy. And I'll maybe just see here if we can see what it's like. So I'm just going to jump into my back office here of my website builder, but this is the $1 Million Copy course here. So you can see here lead generation. We're covering lead generation, lead management, unique selling proposition, crafting your secret offer, closing clients, leveling up, and the killer copy blueprint. Okay, this is a free course I'm going to give you along with your purchase with Anyword. If you want to go ahead and get started with it, there's all these different resources here as well to utilize, and within the $1 Million Copy series, utilizing Anyword is going to be our go-to place. So just to jump back here, you can see that it's giving us another loads of different versions here, and what I would do personally is I would use these top two here because it's the best performance ones. But you can go and dig into the details here a little bit more, and you can see that the emotions conveyed in this description is curiosity, and it resonates with males and females, so in the younger demographic. Okay, so that's very, very cool stuff. And let's just see here, we'll click on this 1 second again, and this is based on 256 similar variations. Okay, and this is the predictive performance score. It's also saying here channel policy, it's safe, the content of this version is safe, okay, to use on the platform. So if you're doing it for like Google ads and things like that there, it'll give you that there. It'll maybe say flag it a little bit, and you could reword it and stuff like that there. But very, very great software. So you can say here in this description, it says today we're going to show you how you can get your video noticed with some easy steps. You may have heard of these things before, but don't worry. You may have heard of these things before, but don't worry. We'll take you through them step by step. You'll learn how to make eye-catching title and description for your videos using artificial intelligence tools. First, create a title that's catchy but still relevant to your video content. Then write a description that's informative without being boring or too long. Okay. Then the next description you can put in here is, this video will show you how to write YouTube title descriptions in order to create highly engaging content. Some video tips, some tips for writing great YouTube titles are: use keywords, keep it brief and to the point, and give a quick overview of what the video is about. Okay, so this was it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this software below. You can get started for free no credit card required, and if you go ahead and get started with a paid one, I'm going to give you the bonus of the $1 million copy, which basically shows you here how you can, start to generate leads, how you manage your leads, your unique selling proposition, crafting your secret offer, closing clients, and leveling up, and the killer copy blueprint. And you can also see there's some additional resources here, like the AI copywriting software that I'm recommending to you today. So this was it. Go ahead and click the link below in this video. Get started with Anyword if this is something that you can see yourself using in your business, and start generating highly engaging copywriting for your titles and descriptions. And I'll see you in the next video coming up for $1 Million Copy on Limitless Money Hub. Have a great one. Bye bye.